Hey, this would be a video chart on CEMJQ, Chemtura Corporation. Done this one about 2 million times. But after today, nice volume, nice price reaction. Want to get it updated again here. Mainly because it seems like if you can catch these initial days, the history of the chart shows that usually you'll get a nice move. So for example, if we go back here, you can see volume had dropped off. Then all of a sudden we had a big surge like this, and then you can see over the next few days made a nice move up. Um, Once again here, nice surge in volume for the people that were patient enough. Got that nice move up there. If we go, let's see, where's another time where volume just kind of came out of nowhere. So here, volume had been kind of not the best example, but once again, saw volume start to creep in, and then it took off. So basically, what I'm getting at is, volume is a great leading indicator on this one, or at least the past history has been. And even here, actually, you look at the big down volume here. This was a good leading indicator in terms of capitulation happening, and then you had, pretty much a bounce up from there. So is this a 100% guarantee that this thing's just going to keep rocking upwards? Obviously, there's no such thing as a 100% guarantee within the market. But if you use history as your indicator and guide, you can see that volume does a great job of being a leading indicator. So we'll have to see what happens. What I'm thinking is that we are headed up to give these previous highs a test. The previous high being up here at this level, which was $1.71. We're not too far off from there, and if history repeats itself again, we'll be headed right back up there. I'm going to make this line extra thick just because it is a very important resistance, the previous high, so that's going to be the key battleground that the bulls need to get through. The other nice thing that I like about this is check out this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Look how it's essentially just ridden this line all the way up. As the line's been creeping up, so has the prices and lows. It's almost like this thing's some sort of magnet, and it's just holding the price right here, and today finally decided to let it go. So just a good example of how the 50-day simple moving average really can provide a good solid support for any price. Now, in terms of support, obviously I pretty much just mapped out what that support is. We want to continue to see this purple line hold strong. The good news is you got a lot more wiggle room now since it's separated. You're well above it. But this is the key support, and this is the one you want to continue to see hold strong. In terms of shorter term resistances, really, there's not anything. It's basically blue skies up until you get to this level here. And I don't know if there's news or something out today, but people definitely decided to pour back into it. And we'll see if it can get up here and repeat history and retest this high. And if it can get through that high, what we have is another blue sky breakout. Going back to '08 here, that's where you have to go and find the next previous highs. And if it does do that, I'll be back to update the chart. But for now, check it out. Things are looking good. We got the 200-day, booming. I still just marvel right there for the people that were lucky enough to had noticed the 200-day, were sitting there with buy orders when the price came down. They got filled, it bounced, and then just has made this huge move. So I'm still jealous of them. But overall, you can see the chart is still in an overall uptrend, and the reason I say that is because we have the 200-day and 50-day both increasing strong. Medium term we're a little bit neutral because we have our shorter term, moving average is choppy a little bit, but the overall picture ones, which is the 50 and 200-day, both clearly still showing an uptrend. So I don't know if we'll retest those highs this week, but I really think that we have a great chance because as I've been repeating myself, the history of this chart shows that when volume pours, all of a sudden comes in like this, you usually get a nice follow through. It might be a couple weeks because there's been some times where you get a big volume, then you get a bunch of little small days, and then it finally takes back off. But I'm looking at this one to at least get up here and test it. Now, will it break it? I don't know that, but I think we'll at least see a test of this high up here at $1.71. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting good reviews. And then with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's something for everybody, a variety of everything, and it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so check it out and see what it's all about. One last time, this was CEMJQ. Thanks for listening.